Hello guys! So, yun guys. How are you today? Good morning everyone! I hope you have a good day guys. So, yun. Ito yung merienda natin. Ito yung ano natin guys. Breakfast. Kain tayo guys. Kain tayo. Let's eat. Sarap sa umaga ang coffee. Iwan ko talaga guys. Coffee is life man talaga ako eh. Kumusta kayo dyan guys? Anong pinagbisihan nyo early in the morning? So, ito tayo guys. Nakaligo na tayo actually. Ayan, we feel fresh na already guys. So, yun ang morning natin. Ito yung morning routine natin guys. How are you? I hope you have a good day everyone. And everything is okay. No guys? Feel good and ano, look fresh. Feel fresh. Yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much and thank you for watching guys. Have a good